Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today in this video we're going to be creating this look. You can wear this makeup suppose if there's a festival coming up and if you want to go to the temple, or if there's a puja at home and relatives are expected to drop by, or even if there's an ethnic day at office or college. You can definitely go for this look and you'll look amazing, and it's also simple to create. So if you want to know how I got this look, continue watching. Prep your skin with your favorite moisturizer that suits your skin. I am using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer and it's great for my dry skin. I'm going to use just one primer today, that is on my nose because it gets a little oily, and I also have open pores which I want to smoothen out a bit. So I'm using the L'Oreal Base Magic. And the rest of my face is just good with moisturizer. I'm not going to be using any other primer to hydrate my skin more. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Match Master and I'm combining two shades, which is NC35 and NC20, to get my right shade. I'm using the Kryolan concealer to cover up my dark circles. Now setting my face with my Color Essence Compact Powder. I'm done with my base. Now moving on to my eyeshadow. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro palette. Taking the shade called Rebound and applying it on my lids. And then I'm going to take the shade Relentless and apply it on my crease. I'm going all matte and classic for the eye makeup today and nothing glossy, glittery. I'm using the gel eyeliner today by Sugar. You can leave it at this, it looks great as it is, but if you have time, take a pencil brush and just smudge it out a bit so that you'll get that smoky effect. Now taking a pencil brush and applying the same brown shade on my lower lids. And then applying my face's kajal. taking my pencil brush, dipping it in a bit of black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna set my kajal with it. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Fall Slash Superstar. So this mascara has two wands. The first is the primer. And then the mascara wand. I'm using the Maybelline Master Blush palette for my blush. I'm taking the peach shade. I'm not going to contour my face. I'm just going to sculpt my face using a blush. I'm using the highlighter from the same palette because this gives you a very natural glow rather than too much glitter on your face. So this is the highlighter. For my brows, I'm not going to be applying any product on it. I'm just gonna groom it because I'm fine. I'm happy with the way it looks naturally. But if you want to apply a brow product, you can go ahead and do so. For lipstick, I'm using the Lotus in the shade Burgundy Bite. And then I'm going in for the Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline in the shade 20, that is Pioneer. And I'm just going to apply it, dab it in fact, on the center of my lips. And use my finger to just smudge it. Okay, so I threw on some bangles, necklace and a bindi, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next vlog.